Hello, friends. Welcome to Phonics Teach. Today, we have a super special lesson. We are going to learn 3 tiny magic words. Are you ready? Let me ask you a mystery question. Do we say a apple or an apple? Which one is right? Don't worry. By the end of today's lesson, you will know the answer like an English superstar. Today, we are learning about articles. What are articles? Articles are tiny helper words. There are only 3 articles in English. They are a, an, the. Wonderful! These 3 little words go in front of nouns. Nouns are names of people, places, animals, or things, like cat, ball, apple, sun. Now let's learn each one. Let's meet our first article, a. We use a when we talk about one thing that starts with a consonant sound. Let's see. A ball. B is a consonant, so we say a ball. A cat. C is a consonant, so a cat. A dog. D is a consonant. A dog. Wonderful! You are so clever. Now meet article number 2, an. We use an when a word starts with a vowel sound. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Great job! Now let's practice. An apple. A starts with vowels, so we say an apple. Similarly, an egg. E is a vowel, so an egg. An igloo. I is a vowel. An igloo. An orange. O is a vowel. An orange. Incredible! Give yourself a big clap. Now, the most special article, the. The is different. The means a specific thing. Listen to my story. I see a cat. This is the first time I'm seeing any cat, so I say a cat. But then I look again. The cat is orange. Now I'm talking about that same cat, the one I already saw. So I say, the cat. Do you understand? First time, a or an. Same thing again, the. Also, things that are one of a kind, like the sun, the moon, the sky. We always say the. There is only one sun, so we say the sun, never a sun. Wow! You learned all 3 articles today. Let's do one big review together. A. We use A when a word starts with a consonant sound. An. We use an when a word starts with a vowel. We use the for a specific thing or a one-of-a-kind thing. You are amazing learners. Keep practicing and you will become English champions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Phonics Teach. See you next time. Bye-bye.